Hi, I'm going to give you a quick review on how to add pages to your ePortfolio. If you've already created an ePortfolio, this will tell you how to add pages to it. So you'll just go into Ivy Learn, click on your little icon up here, and then you're going to pull up this menu, and then your ePortfolio link will show up. You're going to click on the link. In another video, I have shown students how to set up an ePortfolio, and then you kind of have an example of what your ePortfolio is going to include for your graduation portfolio. All of these links will eventually become part of your graduation portfolio. When you do create an ePortfolio, it will have a rather long URL. That's what you're going to copy and submit for your assignment for your ePortfolio, for your field notebook, and then your child study will be put under key assessments. So we are going to click on the actual ePortfolio that I created just for students to kind of see. And then you're going to have a section about me, and then you're going to have key assessments. There are 5 key assessments that you will have to include. And one of them is your child development portfolio or child studies. So you'll have your Erikson paper, your family scenario, the child development portfolio, your documentation board, and your advocacy project. All of these are key assessments that you must have in your portfolio before you graduate. So this is what your portfolio will look like, and then you'll put all of these assignments in. I'm going to go back to the other ePortfolio that I have created just so we can play around with it. And as you can see, there's another long URL. That's the URL you're going to send to me. If you don't have this here, then your settings are wrong, and you need to ask me about what's the matter with your settings. So your ePortfolios should not be made public, all right? If it's made public, then that's going to keep us from being able to access this link. So do not click on this to make it public, all right? It's going to be private, and the only people that are going to be able to see your portfolio are the people you share this URL with, all right? So if you don't see this URL, then your settings are wrong, so you need to find out what's going on with your settings. Now, for your ePortfolio to add pages, you're going to start over here where it says Organize Sections. You can see that I already have my section with my name, my home, a section for key assessments. I'm going to also create a section for my field notebook. Now you can move these around as you're putting your whole portfolio together for graduation, but for your practicum class, you just need a place to put all of your materials rather than your child's study. So you need a page for that. Then for your field notebook, you're going to put this section in here, and then you're going to come over here and manage some pages. So we're going to go field notebook. Click on that, and then we're going to put edit this page, and this page is going to be called field notebook, and you can upload all of your files to this page, or you can create different pages for each part. So you could create a page for your reflections. Please don't submit each one of those individually. Please copy and paste those all together into one file, and then submit your reflections as one file. Same thing with your activities. Please do not submit each activity separately. Please copy and paste those all together so you have one big file that you're going to submit. So we've got your field notebook named. So that is done. And then over here it says images and file upload. So you can just upload your files. No reason to put images or anything in here at this time. You're going to just click here if you're going to upload a file. If you have a course submission, you can click on this and go back to the course where you completed it and put it in here. However, I find that most students do better with just uploading a file. So as you can see, I have my files that I've selected and used before in here, but you can also browse your computer for a file. So whatever file you're going to put in there, you can just select a file. Doesn't really look like I really have anything to select in here. Let me see what I have as far as documents. Okay, so I can upload activity plan. So I'm just going to click upload. I've selected that, then I'm going to upload file. I think for this you can only upload one thing at a time or your file will disappear. So you're going to go over here again and click on that again, and then you're going to upload another file. Last time I worked on this, you can only upload one file because this would disappear if you uploaded something else. But you can try it and see if that works. It wasn't working last time I did it that way. So you have to go over here each time, select your file that you're going to upload, find it in your computer, and then upload it. Okay, then make sure that you hit save the page. If you don't, everything that you've done will disappear. And then you can see that I've got my field, my activity plan uploaded here. Okay, if you have questions, you know how to reach me. I hope that was fast enough. Bye.